Sentence patterns. You may take photographs. Shashi no toro koto ga dekimasu. Permission is being granted to take photographs. Mr. Santos has a personal computer. Santos-san wa personal computer o moteimasu. A statement indicating position of a personal computer by Mr. Santos. May I keep this catalog? Sure, please do. このカタログを持って行ってもいいですか？はい、どうぞ。Asking for permission to keep a catalog and the affirmative response. May I borrow this dictionary? I'm sorry, but I'm using it now. この辞書を借りてもいいですか？ごめんなさい、今使っています。Requesting to borrow a dictionary and a polite refusal because it is currently in use. You must not play here. All right. ここで遊んではいけません。わかりました。A directive not to play in a certain area and the response indicating understanding. Do you know the phone number of the city hall? No, I don't. 市役所の電話番号を知っていますか？いえ、知りません。Asking if someone knows the phone number and the response indicating they do not. Where do you live, Miss Maria? I live in Osaka. Maria-san wa doko ni sundeimasu ka? Osaka ni sundeimasu. Inquiring about someone's residence and the response indicating the city. Is Mr. Wang single? No, he is married. Wang-san wa dokushin desu ka? Ie, kekkon shite imasu. Asking about marital status and the response indicating marriage. What is your job? I am a teacher. I teach at Fuji University. Your specialty? It's Japanese fine art. あなたの仕事は何ですか？教師です。富士で学校で教えます。専門は何ですか？日本の美術です。Inquiries about someone's professions and a specialty with responses detailing the job and field of expertise. Conversation. Tell me about your family. Today's movie was good, wasn't it? 今日の映画は良かったですね。Yes, it was. The father was particularly good, wasn't he? はい、そうでした。特に父親の演技が良かったですね。Yes, I was reminded of my family. はい、私は家族を思い出しました。Were you? Tell me about your family, Mr. Miller. そうでしたか？ミラさんの家族について教えてください。I have my parents and an elder sister. 私には両親と兄がいます。Where do they live? どこに住んでいますか？ My parents live near New York City. My sister is in London. 私の両親はニューヨーク市の近くに住んでいます。兄はロンドンにいます。How about your family, Miss Kimura? 木村さんの家族はどうですか？ There are three of us. My father works for a bank. My mother teaches English at a high school. 私たちには3人います。父は銀行で働いています。母は高校で英語を教えています。Occupations. Company employee. 会社員。Civil servant. 公務員。Station clerk. 駅員。Bank clerk. 銀行員。Postman. Yubinya, shop clerk, tenin, cook, ryorinin, barber, tokoya, beautician, biyoshi, teacher, kyoshi, lawyer, bengoshi, research worker, kenkyuin, doctor, nurse, isha, kangoshi, driver, ontenshu, policeman, keisatsuken, diplomat, geikukan, politician, seijika, painter, gaka, author, saka, musician, ongakuka, architect, kenshikuka, engineer, engineer, designer, designer, journalist, journalist, singer or actor, kashu, hayu, actress, juyu, athlete, supotsu senshu. Occupations: company employee, civil servant, station clerk, bank clerk, postman, shop clerk, cook, beautician, teacher, lawyer, research worker, doctor, nurse, driver, policeman, diplomat, politician, painter, author, musician, architect, engineer, designer, journalist, singer, actor, actress, athlete. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Matane!